Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's class, we will see how to solve question 1 of exercise 4.3 class and NCERT book. Okay. So we are given three equations. What's the question? Find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. So we'll have to solve this one using quadratic formula. Okay. So till the last video, we saw how to solve a quadratic equation using factorization method. So in this one, we are going to solve using formula method. Now what's the formula? So formula is x equals, there is value of x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, the whole thing divided by 2a. Okay. Now what is b, a, c and all here? So this is the standard form of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So here a will be the coefficient of x square and b will be the coefficient of x and c will be the constant. Okay, so it's very, very easy. So once you have the quadratic equation, plug in all the values and get the value of x. But then before that, here the question is if real roots exist. Okay, so before solving the entire formula, we can actually find what will be the nature of the roots. No, what will be the nature of the roots of the given equation. Now, how do I find? So we can just use this one part of the formula, which is b square minus 4ac, this one. So the b square minus 4ac, this particular part of the formula is called as a discriminant. Okay. So first we are going to get the value of the discriminant and we will see what is the value. Using that value, we can actually come to conclusion if the roots are actually two distinct real roots or two equal real roots, or if there no real roots exist actually. So let's solve this one. So basically b square minus 4ac. So when you solve this one, it should be greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then the particular equation will have two distinct real roots. Okay. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then you will have two equal roots, meaning 4, 4, 5, 5. So both the values of x will be equal 1. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, which means this is a negative 1, then no real roots exist. Okay, so the first one is b square minus 4ac, that is a discriminant, is greater than 0. You will have two distinct real roots. That is, you will have two different value for x. Okay, if it is exactly equal to 0, then you will have two equal values. That is, the x value, the 2x value will be the same. If it is less than 0, which means it is a negative 1, then there is no real roots exist for that particular equation. Okay, now let's solve the first question. So the first question is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So the first question is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now what is a here? So a is equal to 2. So b is equal to minus 3. We should consider the sign also. So b is minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Now let's see first what is the determinant of. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now what is b square here? So b square is minus 3 the whole square minus 4ac. So here b is actually minus 3. So minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into a, what is a will be 2. So 2 into c will be 5. So now let's solve this one. So minus 3 into minus 3 will become 9. So minus 4 into 2 will be 8. 8 into 5 will be 40. So 40. So 9 minus 40 will be equal to minus 31. So here if you notice, so D is actually less than the last category. See here. So D is actually less than 0. It's a negative value. So for this question, no real roots exist. So we should say, so D minus 31 is actually less than 0. Therefore, no real roots exist for this equation. Or what is the equation for? 2x square minus 3x and plus 5. That's all. Okay, now let's solve the second question. So what is the second question? Second question is 3x square minus 4 root 3 x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now first let's write what is a, b and c. So this is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to positive 4. Now let's find what is the discriminant here. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here b will be minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into what is a? A is 3. 3 into c will be 4. So what is minus 4 root 3 into minus 4 root 3? So basically minus 4 root 3 into minus 4 root 3. So now this will become minus 4 into minus 4 will become 16. Root 3 into root 3 will become 3. Minus into minus will become positive. So the final answer will become positive 48. Okay. So this is 48 minus 12. 4 into 3 will become 12. So 12 into 4, again, that will also become 48. So 48 minus 48 will become 0. Here, if you notice, this is a second subdivision, which is actually d is equal to 0, which means this will have two equal roots. So here, d is equal to 0. So we'll have two equal roots. So now how do I find? So now let's use the formula. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, the whole thing divided by 2a. Okay, now x is equal to, here the minus b is again, there is already a minus sign in the formula, and b is also having a minus sign here in this question. So minus of minus 4 root 3 plus or minus b square minus 4ac, we already got the value, which is actually 0 here. See, this is what we got. So the determinant value is 0. So we can directly put the value of 0 here. The whole thing divided by 2 into a. Now what is a? A is 3. So I'll just solve here. So my value of x is equal to minus into minus will become plus now. So plus 4 root 3. What is square root of 0 will be 0 only. So 0 plus or minus 0 by 2 into 3 will become 6. Okay. Now x is equal to 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6. This is the first value. Next value will be 4 root 3 minus 0 will by 6. Okay, see, there are two things. So one is a positive 0. So the first value we'll have to take the positive one. So plus 0. What is the answer if it is plus 0? And the second value for x will be what is the answer if it is a negative 0. Okay, so 4 root 3 plus 0 by 6, first value. Second value will be 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. So 4 root 3 plus 0 is nothing but again 4 root 3 only. So 4 root 3 by 6. For this one, again 4 root 3 minus 0, again same thing only. So 4 root 3 by 6. Now let's simplify this one. So 2, then this is 3. Same thing here. So 2 cancelled by 2, then this will become 3. So the final answer is 2 root 3 by 3. Next root is also 2 root 3 by 3. Okay, fine. So we can simplify this one further also. Now, how do I simple? So this is 2 root 3 by 3, right? So this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Okay, now let's cancel 1 root 3, 1 root 3. So the final answer after simplification will be 2 by root 3. And the other answer also will become 2 by root 3. Okay, now this is the answer for question number 2. Now what's the question number 3? So question number 3 is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is a here? So value of a will be 2, b is minus 6, and c value will be constant 1, which is actually 3. Now let's see what is it discriminant for this one. So d is equal to b square minus 4 into a into c. So value of b is minus 6. So minus 6 the whole square minus 4 into value of a will be 2. Then value of c is actually 3. So minus 6 into minus 6 will be 36 to become positive 6 minus 4 into 2 will be 8. 8 into 3 will be 24. So what is 36 minus 24? This is equal to 12. So value of d is 12, which is greater than 0. So for this equation, so for this particular equation, the roots will be real and we'll have two distinct real roots. Okay. Now what we'll find, what is the value for x? I'll write it here. So let's write the formula. So x value will be minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, the whole thing by 2a. So minus b will be minus of minus 6. Okay, so b value is minus 6. In the formula itself, we have a 1 minus. So please be careful. So minus of minus 6 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. We already got the answer, which is actually 12. So it will be square root of 12. The whole thing by 2 into a. So here a will be 2. Minus into minus will become 6 plus now. So 6 plus or minus square root of 12. So how can we write square root of 12? So just take 12. So dividing by prime numbers. So 2 6 are, then again 2, then 2 3s are, then 3 1s are. So 12 can be written as, so under root of 2 into 2 into 3. So this can be written as 4 into 3. So square root of 4 will be 2. So 2 square root 3. So under root of 12, we have simplified this one and got the answer as 2 square root 3. 2 into 2 will become 4 here. Okay. Now again, so now x value, this is a simplified one. So the first value of x will be 6 plus 2 root 3 by 4. So this is one value for x. Now the next value for x will be 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4. Okay, now we will simplify. So we can take 2 common in this one. So 2 into 3 plus square root of 3 by 4. So same thing we can do here also. We'll take 2 common. So 3 minus square root of 3 by 4. Okay, now let's cancel this one. So 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So again for this also 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So answer will be 3 plus square root of 3 by 2. First answer. The second answer for x will be 3 minus square root of 3 by 2. So the two values of x will be 3 plus square root of 3 by 2, comma 3 minus square root of 3 by 2. Okay. I hope the explanation is clear and easy to follow. So we will solve question number 2 in the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.